The Florida Keys will be the site of an experiment this summer, releasing genetically modified mosquitoes into the wild. The project is aimed at reducing the spread of deadly mosquito-borne illnesses such as dengue, yellow fever, and the Zika virus. You're probably wondering how releasing more mosquitoes might lessen the problem. These Aedes aegypti mosquitoes are genetically modified organisms, or GMOs. Designed in a lab, these males carry a gene that, when they reproduce, passes into eggs. If that egg hatches into a female, the gene kills the immature mosquito. The hope is that by introducing this gene into wild populations, the population of biting females will plummet, and that's good news for the rest of us. The experiment in the Keys is a partnership between biotech firm Oxitec and the Florida Keys Mosquito Control District.
This shit happened out of nowhere. We just sit here all of a sudden and then we start attacking people. Look at all these people. People are leaving. Look at this shit. It's attacking all these people. Out of fucking nowhere. It just started. We were just sitting here for hours. Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Officials are now reporting 5 confirmed cases of locally acquired malaria in Florida and Texas. Concerns are growing as this marks the first time we're seeing local transmission in the U.S. in 2 decades. The CDC is now warning doctors and public health officials to be on the lookout for more cases. Experts say it's bound to happen.
Monday, the Florida Department of Health issued a statewide mosquito-borne illness advisory after confirming more cases of malaria. As it stands right now, a total of 4 cases have been confirmed in Sarasota County.
Hurricane Idalia brought intense flooding and storm surge to communities across the Bay Area, and with standing water comes the increased risk of mosquito reproduction.
So right now we're going to look into how Pasco County is working to prevent that from being an issue. ABC Action News reporter Keely McCormick joining us live in studio this morning. Keely, the Pasco County Mosquito Control District, they're stepping up efforts now to try and keep these mosquitoes from multiplying.
James, that's right. They tell me the floodwater mosquitoes are a big concern after a major storm like Idalia. That's why they're stepping up surveillance and treatment efforts to prevent those immature larvae mosquitoes from growing into flying and biting adults.
Certainly. This time of year, mosquitoes can go from egg to adult in as little as 5 days. So it's important for us to really just get out as soon as possible after the storm and be ready to do surveillance and perform control activities.
Adrienne Rogers is the executive director of the Pasco County Mosquito Control District. She says her crews are out in the field surveying standing water for mosquito larvae. Rogers explained they had to react quick after the storm with treatment tactics.
So we have our larvicide technicians out in the field, and what they're doing is spraying a granular product into the water to target the mosquito larvae, the immature mosquito. And that helps reduce those populations before they're flying and being an incredible nuisance and spreading disease.
They also treat mosquitoes from the sky. Pilots fly a helicopter right above the treetops, releasing a granular product that targets the mosquitoes in the water down below. Rogers tells us mosquito-borne illness is always a big concern after a major storm like Idalia. She says they're closely tracking and treating those mosquitoes.
Well, we start to see our disease vector species really explode. And so we're waiting for that. We're watching for those, and we're trying to target them before they hatch off.
And as far as what you can do, get rid of any standing water that's around your house. I know many people are out in the yard this week cleaning up debris from the storm. So spray bug spray and wear long sleeves and long pants to protect your skin. We have all this information and links to the bug spray that Rogers suggests on our website. That's abcactionnews.com.